WHCLs, I'm on my way to the Collision of Vision. Let's go check it out.
WHCL's College of Moore hosted their annual Spring Art Festival, Collision of Vision, to showcase student artwork. The release of Kaleidoscope, a collection from students in the creative writing class, was featured at the event. Various types of art, including 3D art, sculptures, drawings, and photography, was featured from the students in the art classes. There even was a live band from Moore Middle College High School. Now check out some of the artwork from the students. Great job, you guys!
Thank you.